noises. You make choo-choos, I make whining noises. Man, it's not bad. I think this is my first time getting in this with you driving it, or you taking me out for a drive, because I did get in it, but just to sit down.
Yeah, I don't think we've been anywhere in it.
No.
Surprisingly roomy, huh?
There's all the room in this little car. What the fuck? Like, I'm not like...
It's not the best, but and that seat is worse than this one. That one you're sitting a lot higher. Like, it's weird if you feel like you're sitting like on the seat rather than in it, which is one thing I kind of always hated. But
wow, this light takes forever.
Maybe it didn't feel my weight.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, it's weird. Ready? Ready to shit your pants?
Oh, shit. That was 100? It feels like it has more torque for sure. See, that's the thing.